Divide 16 a to the 4th b cubed c minus 10 a to the 5th b squared c squared plus 12 a squared b squared c by 4a squared b. When we divide by a monomial, we can write the polynomial as the numerator of a fraction and the divisor as the denominator. And when we do that, we can see pretty quickly how we can do the division. So we have our first polynomial, and then this division symbol becomes the dividing line here, and then we have 4a squared b. Now when we do this, we can actually split this up and divide each of these by 4a squared b. In other words, we can think of this as 16a to the 4th b cubed c over 4a squared b minus 10a to the 5th b squared c squared over 4a squared b plus 12a squared b squared c over 4a squared b. And this is a step you wouldn't necessarily have to do if you can do the division mentally each time. You have to be sure to divide each of these terms by the denominator. We would divide 16 divided by 4 and get 4. A to the 4th over a squared would be a squared. B cubed over b would be b squared. And then we have c. Minus 10 over 4 is 10 fourths or 5 halves. We have a cubed, subtracting exponents, b c squared. And then finally, 12 over 4 is 3. A squared over a squared will be 1, so we don't have to write that because 3 times 1 is 3. B squared over b would be b and c. And that would be the quotient.